everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So I have a PR package here. I did open it just because I wasn't sure who it was from, but it's from Nail Reserve. They were formerly known as Nail Addict. They just rebranded, so they have, you know, new packaging, and I think the formula might be a little different too. So yeah, they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try some of their products. So I have tried, I think it was about a year ago or a little over a year, I ordered 2 polishes and a base coat and a top coat, and that was when it was Nail Addict. I have the base coat here. So yeah, this is the old packaging. And then, let me see. Yeah, they did send me a base coat. So then, yeah, this is the old packaging and this is the new one. But their polishes are vegan, 9-free, and cruelty-free. So they don't have a lot of the toxic chemicals that are in a lot of the nail polishes. So that's always great. I always like, you know, just to feel a little bit safer about the polishes that I use. So yeah, they went ahead and sent me a base coat. And I really like the base coat too. It's like not too thick and not too thin. It's like a really good base coat. And then since I already did have a top coat, they went ahead and sent me I had no white top coat, but they went ahead and sent me the matte one. So I'm excited to try that. I don't use matte very often, but I want to because I always see people using it and the sets look so pretty sometimes when the designs are matte. So I'm excited to try that. And then we have no strings attached. Ooh, that's super pretty. It's like a very pale pink. And then it says must be cured with LED light 30 seconds with LED or UV 2 minutes. I always like when they're 30 seconds. Sometimes I get impatient waiting. The next one we have is Lilac Madness. I absolutely love lavender, so this is perfect. Oh, look at that, so pretty. Hollywood Midnight, and this looks like a glitter. Oh, I'm excited about that. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Let me turn the flash on. Oh, it's a glittery, like very dark teal. Oh, that's super pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these, but they gave me a code. It's Sandra50, and you can use that and save 50% off your order. And then they also gave me a link, so I'm gonna link that down below, and then you can just go ahead and use that link and then the coupon will be activated. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my swatch sticks and then we'll swatch these pretty colors. All right, so I have the base here. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the base coat to the polish, or to the swatch sticks. Yeah, I really like the base coat. Really nice formula. All right, so I already went ahead and put the base coat and then I cured all those for 30 seconds. So now we're gonna go in with the no strings attached. Oh, that's pretty. Really pretty. Yeah, look at that. That's only one coat. Really pretty. And then we'll try, see, look at the Lavender Madness. I mean, Lilac Madness, sorry. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that, one coat. Wow. Oh god, this is gorgeous. And then Hollywood Midnight. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh god, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So the lilac one, I don't think it needs another coat. It looks, I mean, look at that. But I think I will do this one. It just got a little, I think, little bit of, I don't know, I just didn't polish it evenly. Very pretty. Look at that. Oh my god, I just dropped it. So I am going to do one more coat. This one looks pretty good, but towards the bottom I think I did a little bit too thin. But oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do half the nail matte and then half glossy. So I'm going to do the glossy no wipe top coat first, just on like the bottom half. So I went ahead and did the glossy. Really pretty. So now we're going to go ahead and do the matte. These are the two pastel. Really pretty. I like it. Either shiny or matte. They look really pretty. I like that. And then this one, the glitter one, looks really cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Really like that. So different looking. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a set with these. Just need to figure out what I want to do, so I'll be back. For the set, I'm going to be using the long sculptured square tips from Nail Couture. And then I'll be using the Lilac Madness and the Hollywood Midnight. And then I'll also be using this glow-in-the-dark lavender glitter from Betsy. And then I'm just trying to figure out, I'm not sure which stickers I'm going to use yet, but these are all from Shein, I believe. Yeah, I decided to keep the lavender just because the stickers have a lot of purple in them, so I just thought it would look cute with the, you know, a little bit of purple in there. And then I have these little astronaut charm and the little planet charms, of course, from Shein. So I went in and applied my base coat already and my peel off base coat, and I cured for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to be using the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue. So I just apply a little bit to the tip and then put that on my nail at an angle. Push it down till the glue gets up to the tip and then flash cure it. So I already applied the tips and I went ahead and filed and buffed, and now I'm going to be applying the base coat on all the nails, and then I cure that for 30 seconds. And then now we're going to go in with Lilac Madness just on the pinky and the thumb. And I believe I only did one coat of this because the coverage on this one is just, oh, it's amazing. And then I'll go in with the no wipe top coat and apply that and then cure that for 30 seconds. And then the Hollywood Midnight's gonna go on the ring finger, the middle finger, and the index finger. So I do apply 2 coats of this and then I cure each coat for 30 seconds. These polishes went on so smooth, no streaking, they were just amazing. So now I'm going to go in with the cat eye gel from Betsy, the rainbow cat eye gel. And I'm not trying to do any design or anything, I just really like the way it looks on the nail, like the shimmer and like the rainbow it gives it. So what I did do is I kind of just pushed the glitters just a little bit towards the middle. I didn't want them all to be on the side. I just kind of wanted to push them all in the middle so you could see them straight on. So that's all I did there. And then I go ahead and apply the no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with some gel liners, and I'm going to attempt to do like a galaxy, you know, dark sky type of design. So I did go in with a base coat and I didn't cure it because I just saw a video this morning actually from Just Doing Nails. She did a marble where she just put a base coat and she didn't cure it, and she laid her gels on there and just did lines, and the marble came out so pretty. So I just thought, I'm not really doing a marble, I just thought I'll just try that with the base coat so it spreads a little bit. And so yeah, I just used this little micro brush that I got from Shein. I absolutely love these brushes. So I just applied the liner gels and I'm just going in and kind of smudging them around. Nothing too perfect or anything. And then I go on with a silver and just do a little bit, you know, a little bit of silver around there just to add a little bit of sparkle. And then I do go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm just going to apply some stickers. This one, look, I thought it looked really cool with that moon like that, kind of in the sky like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and top coat that. And then I took some of that Vetsy glitter. I kind of forgot about it. I was like, oh, I forgot I was going to use the glitter. So then while it was still wet, the top coat, I just went ahead and applied that glitter and then cured it. And then I applied some stickers to the pinky and then some black rhinestones. And then the same thing on the thumb. I'm just going to add some stickers. These stars here actually glow in the dark. I'll show a picture of that at the end. I believe these are all from Shein. So yeah, they glow in the dark. And then I'm going to go ahead and do some, I had to have some type of rhinestone. So I was like, well, I'll just do black kind of in the corner of the thumb there. And then I'm going to apply my charms with the McCart rhinestone glue, and I can't believe I didn't show the index finger. I don't know what happened. I guess I didn't record. So yeah, I just put the planet on the index finger. So now I'm just putting my cuticle oil. And then here's the finished set. I like the way the little, I don't know, galaxy sky came out. I thought it was super cute. So yeah, these polishes are amazing. I mean, that purple is just one coat. So yeah, thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending me this package. I really enjoyed the polishes. They were so easy to work with. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.